Hiya, hope you're okay. Look at this little gorgeous number that we're going to talk you through today. This is a Polo Ralph Lauren, beautiful brown zip wallet, has never been used, is excellent condition, and the leather is just so smooth and gorgeous. It is just pure delightfulness to hold. So hello, welcome to our Armcandy channel. To our subscribers, hello, welcome, great to see you, hope you're having a great day. If you've not yet subscribed to our channel, then please subscribe to us. We basically have beautiful Armcandy coming into our store every single day. So if Armcandy is your thing, then it's an idea to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on your dream bag. Okay, today though, we're going to talk about this little wallet. So first of all, I'm going to show you what it comes with. It comes with the box, which I think makes it then a really great gift. Although, as I always say, I don't know how you could buy this and then give it away. But if you wanted to, it comes with the box. It's also got the tissue paper. I don't know if that will show up, but it's the Polo logo tissue paper. And we've got 3 care cards, product tags. So that which has got some little writing about the sustainability of the card and paper it's on, that's the blank side. That and also this one. Okay, so 3 product cards. So on the front, we've got obviously that, and we've also got Polo on the zip pull. And the best thing about this wallet is the ease of the zip. Look at that corner. It is smooth as you like, smooth like butter. You know, sometimes when you have like a wallet like this or a Continental and you need to zip around the corners, it can be quite tricky on the corner, can't it? It can be quite stiff and it kind of has a bit of resistance. This, honestly, is really smooth. So whilst I love that it has a box, which means it's great for a gift because A, it's nice to receive a gift that's in a box and it's easier to wrap. And whilst the smoothness of the leather is beautiful, the fact that this zip actually is smooth, I think is fantastic. And then inside, it is pocket madness. So, well, that's the front. Let's start here. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4 main pockets. On the front, there are 2 card slots there, and on the back, 2 card slots there. But then each of these pockets has a little extra little pocket, which is sort of a card slot, but it's a little wider than a card slot. You know how the card slots here are, they are definitely for cards because they're slim and they fit a card in. So the little extra pocket you've got here will fit your card in, but it's a little wider. So you could put something other than cards in there. Okay, so pocket central inside there. And as I said, the condition is excellent. It's never been used. It's just beautiful. So exterior, interior hardware, perfect condition. It's a beautiful, beautiful little wallet. So if you are interested in this, there is a link to this on our website in the comments below this video, my comments. Go and have a look, click the link and have a look at the website. When you're on the website, if you sign up to the newsletter, we will send you a discount code. Okay? It's a discount code that you can use on your first purchase at Armcandy. So go to the website, use that link, go to the website, sign up for the discount code. It's dead easy. You literally scroll to the bottom of any page, there's a little box, you stick your email address in, jobs are good. And if your discount code doesn't come through, it should come through immediately. If it doesn't come through in sort of 60 seconds, check your spam folder. Sometimes they end up in your spam. But yeah, your discount code will come through and then you get your discount off your first purchase with us. I've also put a link in the comments below to our Instagram. If you're on Instagram and you're interested in what goes on in Armcandy HQ and Armcandy World, come and have a look, come and join us on Insta. And we have got gorgeous, gorgeous bags that just keep coming in. Whenever I say that, I look in that direction, and it's because that's where the bags are that we're getting ready for tomorrow. So, and the next day. So the bags coming up are gorgeous. If you have a particular bag that you are looking for, that you are trying to find on the pre-owned market, email me. I have a request list of people with all the bags that they are looking for, so that if one comes in, I can email you and let you know, and you get like a heads up basically. So if there's a bag you're looking for, email me. On the website, there is a contact page. You can email me via that. Okay, so the link here, and then the contact page, and then email me and let me know what your dream bag is, because you never know, it might be just sitting right there. It could be in your possession by the weekend. Have a fabulous day. See you tomorrow.